All right, now I'm doing a full example solve, but I assume you already have the general idea of how all these work, so I'm just going to go a little bit faster. So here I'm just trying to solve the white cross. Orange is already done. Here I have green, so I'll just take that into the bottom, move it underneath green, and then move it up to the top. Now I have blue on the bottom, so I'll move it underneath blue and move it up to the top. Now I see I have red here, but the colors should be switched. So how I do this, move this over here, turn the top over, move this up, and move the top back over. Now the cross is done. Holding upside down, and then now I have a corner, a white corner here, blue and orange. So I'll move it up between blue and orange here, and just insert it into here by repeating these 4 moves over and over until it's solved. Then next, this one, I can move it above green and orange, repeat until it's done. Next, I have this one. I can just move it into here. And then this one, I'll just do this one with my left hand for fun. So move this one into here, make sure it's on the left side before I start. And there we go. Next is the second layer. So here we have blue matching with blue. It has orange on it, so it goes to the left side. So I'm going to move this to the right and then take out this corner with my left hand, put it back in with my right hand. Now that's solved. This is red and green, needs to go onto the right side. So I'm going to move this to the left, take this out with my right hand, put it back in with my left hand. Then this one's orange and green, going to move it match here. This goes to the left, so I'll move it to the right, take this out with my left hand, put it back in with my right hand. All right, this one happens to be in here but already flipped. And so what we can do is just insert a random edge into here to take it out. So I'll move this one over here because this one needs to go to the left. So I'll move it to the right, take it out with my left hand, put it back in with my right hand, and then just do this one normally. So this goes to the left. Oh, the cross happened to already be done. So I'm just going to line up as many pieces as I can. You know what? I skipped so many steps. Screw that. I'm going to come back to here. So here I have a horizontal line. So I'll do front clockwise, the 4 moves, and then front counterclockwise. And that solves the cross. Now I'll try to line up as many pieces as I can. And I lined up 2. They're opposite of each other, so that's not right. I can just do this algorithm from anywhere. Take this pair out, move it all the way over here, and then put it all the way back in one motion. Now I'll try to line up 2 like that, hold it on the back and the right, and then I'll do it again. Now I can line up everything. I see this corner is already solved and the other ones are not solved. So I'll hold this on the front right and do this algorithm. And everything else is still not solved, so I'll do it again. And I'm left with these 2 corners left to solve, so I'll hold that on the bottom, solve this one, move it over, solve this one.